Hi, my name is Michele Delory. I'm a certified KonMari consultant here based in Toronto, and I'm here at the Broadview Hotel. I got some quick travel tips for you when it comes to packing. So I'm going to start off with the first tip, which is a list. Always use a travel packing list because you want to make sure you don't forget anything, and you want to make sure that you give yourself time so that you're not stressed out to the last minute when you have to go to the airport. The next is using packing cubes. Packing cubes will be your best friend when you travel. It fits everything easily. You can fold your clothes vertically. It saves space. I have around 6 items in here, and you probably only need 2 packing cubes for when you travel. And then next, I love to have a shoe holder for my shoes. And I know some people like to just throw their shoes into their luggage with a plastic bag, but I like to have a bag specifically for my shoes, and I can fit up to 2 pairs into this. But also, if you don't want to invest in an item like this, you can use shower caps. Shower caps are super easy to use. You just use 1 shower cap for 1 pair, or actually 1 shoe, and it keeps your shoes clean in your luggage, and you can find them at the dollar store. Super easy and cheap. Next is your items that you're going to put in your containers, which I like to divide by category. So I'll have my toiletries in 1 clear container like this, and then I'll have my electronics in another container. So make sure you have everything from your chargers to your adapter. I like to carry a reading light as well for when I read in the plane at nighttime. I put everything together in this 1 container. And it's also good when you're going through security that they can see everything easily and you don't have to stress about them taking something from you. And then finally, I make sure that I have all of my papers together in 1 section of my luggage or my carry-on bag. I'll have it in a clear folder like this. It's like a Ziploc bag, and I put all of my documents in there with my passport. And that's it. There you have it, my quick tips for you when you need to travel.